best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel.
Grand Rising.
Carla the big bad
glowing
chef.
skin
Always like,
and a
comment and
natural
subscribe. Yeah man,
energy
comment to the things.
boost
Carla's Kitchen
with
CC,
a
best cooking
powerful
around here.
anti-aging
She's creative,
reset,
unique,
then
skillful,
you need this
and she's
orange
different.
glow.
Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget
tastes
Carla's
like
Kitchen CC.
a
Clean and
tropical
everything neat
vacation.
and delicious
Let's
in a Carla's
make it.
Kitchen.
We are using sweet pineapple to fight inflammation and lower bloat, fresh oranges for vitamin C to boost collagen. Crisp carrots packed with beta-carotene. Just look at that vibrant color coming out of my Norma J2. That is pure skin nutrition right there. If you don't have a juicer, a blender and a mesh strainer works perfectly too. Now for the best part, just look at that rich velvety texture pouring over the ice. This is pure raw cell nutrition right here. It is glowing, it is completely fresh, and there are absolutely no added sugars or preservative. You guys, the kick from that fresh ginger mixed with the sweetness of the pineapple is absolutely everything. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and tell me what is your favorite juice. Drink this consistently for that natural inner glow. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more beauty and wellness juice recipes. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.